If he plays it long, all the violins play it long. If you listen to your lead players, how they're phrasing and articulating, you can cut out a month of rehearsal just like that. All right, here's another one. You got two of these. They're in the front of your face. You use them to... Who said watch? You already won something. Watch. All right, everybody watch the baton and count to 4. That was terrible. Try that again. This is the prep. This is 1. All right, let's try that again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now stare right in the middle of your music folder at the words you think are misspelled. Stare at those words and count 4 again. Okay, if you can't see the baton in your music, raise up your stand, move it to the side, do whatever you need to do so you can see your music and me. Don't be like the orchestra I worked with the other day. They refuse to raise their stands, and we're trying to play, and I'm trying to speed up, and they're all hunched over like Quasimodo, and I'm like, faster! And they're like, yes, master, faster, faster. So, raise up your stands. See?